Today's lecture number 2. So the topic is CENTO. CENTO stands for Central Treaty Organization. I have sub-categorized it some important parts, so we will elaborate it one by one. So first of all, here I would have abbreviation. So the CENTO is an abbreviation of Central Treaty Organization. Central Treaty Organization, it was basically a Middle East treaty organization. It has different names according to the situation of that time. So Middle East Treaty Organization, Central Treaty Organization, or it was also called Baghdad Pact Organization when Iraq was a part of this organization. So it is also called Mutual Security Organization. So and the next comes foundation. What is foundation? Foundation of Central Treaty Organization was laid on 1955 and 1955 to 1979. The foundation of CENTO was laid down on 1955 to 1979. It means it was made in 1955 and it was ended in 1979. So next is composition of countries. It was composed of different countries. The CENTO or Central Treaty Organization was composed of different countries including Turkey, Iran, Pakistan and the United Kingdom. So what is the next thing? That is background. What is so first of all we would discuss why was CENTO formed. Basically, what was the reason behind the formation of CENTO, the Central Treaty Organization? As we all know, the NATO. What is NATO? NATO stands for North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Similar to the North Atlantic Treaty Organization and the Southeast Asia Treaty Organization, that is CETO, the main purpose of the Baghdad Pact means CENTO. I am talking about CENTO. Baghdad Pact was also name of CENTO, Central Treaty Organization. The main purpose of Baghdad Pact was to prevent the communist and the foster peace, or we can say that was its main purpose was the communist and the so-called peace that was prevailing in the Middle East at that time. So a treaty was signed in this regard for the sake of bringing peace and many other purposes. So it was renamed the Central Treaty Organization or CENTO in 1959 after Iraq pulled out of the pact. So I told you, first of all, it was called Baghdad Pact when in 1959 Iraq pulled out of this pact or left this pact or stepped back from this pact. So it was called CENTO, Central Treaty Organization. Pakistan is also, as I told you, Pakistan is also a part of was also a part of this treaty organization. So I would say then comes, so why was CENTO formed? It was formed, the purpose of Baghdad Pact was to prevent the communist and communist incursions, basically communist incursions and the so-called peace that was prevailing in the Middle East at that time. So it was firstly called Baghdad Pact and after Iraq pulled out of the pact it was called the CENTO, Central Treaty Organization. So then comes, what would I say that, so these are the some important points that I told you about the CENTO, the Central Treaty Organization. So I would summarize it in the form like the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, the Southeast Asia Treaty Organization and the Central Treaty Organization were considered necessary in the post-war period to protect member countries from communist aggression and conspiracy. As I told you that at that time there was what we can say, there was a time when the communist aggression, the conspiracies and these things were prevailing in the Middle East. So that at that time the CENTO was a need to be signed so that the peace and the other welfare should have brought to that area. So all these treaties were signed and they were considered necessary in the post-war period. Post-war period means after war period. Post-war period to protect member countries that were to protect the countries that were the member of these treaties. So from which they to protect from which thing? To protect the member country from communist aggression and conspiracy that was prevailing at that time.